Listen to the sound. It's even worse today, cicadas. Gosh, what are we gonna do? I saw them really thick up here in this tree. There's millions of them. Millions. Look at all the dead ones. All the exoskeletons. Hundreds, I dare you. Look, they're stuck to the tree. Look at. Oh, wait. Look at them. And there's one flying right there. It's hundreds, I dare you. I don't know. Hello, cicadas, my old friend. It's that time of year again. You're just so darn creepy. You molted while I was sleeping, and your old exoskeletons were left outside on my wall. I'm so appalled. Listen to the sound of cicadas. I can't believe you're so darn loud. The neighbor's dog has gone deaf now. I keep having visions in my mind of the movie Birds all the time, and I just freaked out because you landed on my arm. It's such a swarm. Listening to the sounds of cicadas. Listening to the sounds of cicadas.